Once Scala-based applications are developed, typically we use SBT to build into jar file, and we use that jar file to deploy wherever we want. Let us understand how to install SBT on Ubuntu-based desktop. For that, you can go to the browser. Ubuntu-based desktops comes with Firefox as default browser, and hence I clicked on that. And then I can actually search for SBT download and hit enter. Now you can click on this download SBT. As we are using Debian-based operating system, which is nothing but Ubuntu, we should be able to copy paste these 4 lines of code and then go to the terminal and paste those 4 lines of code here. It will take care of setting up the libraries for us to set up SBT on this Ubuntu based desktop, and also it will take care of installing SBT on this desktop. I am saying -y here. Now SBT is being installed on this desktop. So first we have registered the repositories, and then we are installing the SBT on this desktop. Now SBT is installed. You can say SBT space SBT version to check the version. You can see that 1.2.8 is installed. But when you run this for the first time on Ubuntu, it will download so many packages under the hood, and hence it will take some time. For that reason, I am killing this. And also let us run ls-altr in the home directory and see what we have. It have created directories such as .sbt, .iv2, etc. If you say find .iv2, it has already downloaded few directories and files here, but as we killed in between, it did not complete the download process. Once we set up IntelliJ, we will actually start a application, and at the time we will come back to this and look into this .iv2 directory, and we will see what are all added to this. So make sure you focus on these hidden directories such as .iv2, .sbt, .cache, and also probably .m2, which is not created yet. All those things will be updated whenever we set up the projects or add dependencies to the existing projects using any IDE, not only IntelliJ but also other IDEs such as Eclipse, etc. So we are done with setting up of SBT on this machine. You ensure that it is fine by running this SBT version command, but don't wait until it actually give the control back. Once you run SBT version, it will actually give you the version and try to update the repository for you. So the version of SBT we have is nothing but 1.2.8. Now I can exit from here, and we need to see how to install IntelliJ on top of this Ubuntu based desktop.